Today I'm going to show you how I season my ground turkey. To start, I'm going to take a fork and I'm going to poke some holes on the edges so I could drain whatever blood comes on the ground turkey. So one trick that I do is that I squeeze the package, and as you see, more liquid comes out. It depends on what type of recipe you're looking to make. I personally like to squeeze all the water out of my ground turkey before I season it. So I feel like I get better of result when I do it like this. But it depends on you. This is the trick that I use to drain the excess of liquid from my ground turkey. I hope you enjoy it, and if you like it, put it in practice. Tell me what you think in the comments. You see, the excess of liquid is not there, so now we're going to proceed to season our meat. And the basic seasoning that I use when I buy ground turkey before I put it in the refrigerator away for the week is that I use a very basic, very minimum ingredient, because then I could take whatever recipe I want to make. So I have garlic, oregano, black pepper, adobo, and thyme, and salt. With this basic ingredient, you prevent from your meat to get spoiled. It's seasoned, but whatever you want to tweak when you are going to use it, you could, because you didn't add too much ingredient. So if you want to add paprika, and all the fresh herbs, you could do it. But your meat, it's not gonna get spoiled, and you could cook it. If you want to cook this ground turkey just with this ingredient, you good. You good, because these ingredients are the basic ingredient that I was told how to cook with when I was a kid. So let's dive into it. And that is how I season my ground turkey. Feel free to take some glove and mix it in. Right now, I just seasoning it like this, and I put it in a Ziploc bag. And the day I'm gonna decide to cook whatever recipe I'm gonna cook, then I would add, if I want to add sofrito, whatever other ingredient, depending on what I'm making, that's when I dip my hands in there. But right now, it's just very basic to make sure that it doesn't get spoiled.